Okay, I'm going to be going through the small mud hole that delivers splashes about 40 feet in the air. So.
And then he's gonna do try and get through the yard in 5th gear.
Spinning the whole way.
Without laying it down, spinning.
Seeing how it's super muddy.
Yeah. As you can tell. Enjoys getting people muddy. And now he's soaked. He was just sliding. Dude, it's raining. What the fuck?
Did it work?
No.
It did?
Sure saw how freaking squally your bass end was going out through there. Try and do it again. I'll go up here where you start fucking flying out. Alright, it is so muddy that when he is just cruising, it's spitting mud. I mean, if you want to talk about mud drag racing, this yard is where it's at. Like, I mean, yo, hold on, stop.
Huh?
Stop and put it in 1st gear and go that way and just drop it right here.
What do you mean?
So the camera gets it. No, not at me, dipshit.
Ready?
Yep. Jesus shit. That majorly looks like shit right there. And then wheelies right up the fucking hill. Dude, look at all this mud. This mud was not here when he started. I was gonna come shower me with mud.
Did you get that wheelie?
Yeah.
That was a pretty good one. I don't know if I want to hit the big one or not.
You should. You're already wet enough.
It's like 3 foot deep though.
Yeah, exactly. Alright, the 3 foot deep one is the one that we made. We had a really bad storm last night. And, as you can tell, it's so fucking muddy everywhere.
I ain't feeling it.
Yeah, at least take it in a little bit. So you can drive out.
What do you mean?
Just like going slow the first time.
All that mud is like a foot deep.
Yeah.
I don't know if I want to.
I'll help you get it out. Alright, that just ate his bike.
Told you.
Hold on, stop. Move your leg. That just ate his entire fucking engine.
Really?
Yes.
It covers the whole end.
Yes.
Oh my god, dude.
Dude, look where it is. Look where it is. That ate his bike for breakfast.
Dude, go show him how deep it is. God, step in it once.
No. I mean, you guys remember how fucking deep it was when we remade it.
Look at this.
Now it's
That's deep.
Alright, peace YouTube. Say bye, muddy boy.